Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make honeycomb jelly tart. Zingy and sweet. Starting by making lemon cream. We want the rind of half a lemon, 20 milliliters of lemon juice, 30 milliliters of honey lemon juice, 1 egg, 45 grams of sugar. Give it a mix whilst heating on the stove. Then add 40 grams of white chocolate and melt that in. 4 grams of gelatin. And finally, 50 grams of unsalted butter. Mix and melt that in. Now spoon some of that mixture on top of a tart base, using a brush to spread it out. Then get some plastic bubble wrap cut into a circle and spoon a bit of lemon cream mixture onto that. Spread it out evenly. Refrigerate that for 30 minutes, and then place it on top of your tart base. Refrigerate that for 30 minutes and meanwhile make some lemon-soaked water. We want 300 milliliters of water and 1 lemon sliced. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. And now let's make the honey lemon gelatin. To a pot on the stove, add 40 milliliters of honey, 10 milliliters of lemon juice, 30 grams of sugar, and then through a sieve pour in 300 milliliters of lemon-soaked water. The sieve ensures that you don't get any pips in it. Give that mixture a stir, heating all the while. Then add in 10 grams of gelatin. Mix until dissolved. Now remove from the heat. Get your tart with lemon cream. Peel off the bubble wrap. Leaves an awesome honeycomb pattern. And then spoon on your honey lemon gelatin, filling to the top. Perfect. Now refrigerate for 8 hours. Once it's ready, you can serve it up. Simply slice. And enjoy. Amazing. Honeycomb jelly tart. Yum!